Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. We are going to look at our handwriting sheet from the ABC Writing Tablet, lesson 19, page 13 and 14. All right, so we're going to practice writing the vowels that we have learned so far. So here we have the letter A, the capital letter A, and the lowercase letter a, the capital E, and the lowercase e. Capital A is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. It's going to be a slant, push across the dotted line. Lowercase is a circle with a pull down under the dotted line. All right. Then we're going to do our letter E. It's going to be a pull down, push across, push across, push across, and it fills up the upstairs and the downstairs. Then for the letter E, the lowercase e, it's going to be a push across, up and around. And then you can practice both of those over here. So A is a slant, push across, circle with a pull down, push across, push across, push across, push across, up and around. And then you are going to have the letter I, which is a pull down with a push across and a push across. And then lowercase is a pull down with a dot. The U is a big smile, then a little smile with a pull down. So try both of those right here. Pull down, push across, pull down with a dot, big smile, smile with a pull down. Good. Let's flip over on the back. All right. So now we're just going to practice writing the lowercase. All right. All right. So our lowercase a goes in the downstairs. It's a circle with a pull down. Circle with a pull down. Our E is a push across, up and around. Push across, up and around. Good. Our I is going to be a pull down with a dot. Pull down with a dot. U is a smile with a pull down. Smile with a pull down. Good. And then you can trace all of these letters here. All right, friends. Love you guys. See you later.